Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip. Welcome to the 9th match of the current HiQ season for 2018, sponsored by New Horizons Credit Union. Today's match features teams from Davidson, Mary G. Montgomery, and the home team, BC Rain. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Here's how our points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that area. The teams will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams up here can gain 1 point with a correct answer, and I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. Good luck, teams. Score as many points as you can. Here's your question in current events. Women in Sri Lanka were recently banned from buying what substance in this predominantly Buddhist country?
Booze.
Alcohol. We'll take that. 4 points. Mary Montgomery, your question. In January 2018, which oil company announced an extra payout of $1.7 billion for claims related to the Deepwater Horizon disaster in 2010?
BP.
Correct. 4 points. Davidson. Which public event in Saudi Arabia were women allowed to attend for the first time?
A soccer game.
That's right. 4 points. Great start for everybody. Now we'll change the topic to American history. In Oakland, California, in October 1966, Huey Newton and Bobby Seale founded a political party to fight police brutality in the ghetto. The party advocated self-sufficiency for African Americans, as well as full employment and decent housing. Give the name of this political party.
Black Panthers.
That's right. 4 points. Mary Montgomery. In June of 1968, after winning the California presidential primary, this man, who was campaigning for the Democratic presidential nomination, was assassinated by Sirhan Sirhan. Give me the full name of this man.
Bobby Kennedy.
That's right. 4 points. Davidson. On March 28, 1979, one of the nuclear reactors at a plant near Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, malfunctioned. The reactor overheated and its cooling systems failed. Low-level radiation escaped from the crippled reactor. Give me the name of this nuclear power plant.
3 Mile Island.
Correct. 4 points. All right, biology is a topic to our home team. Name the cardiovascular disease caused by an accumulation of fatty materials, abnormal amounts of smooth muscle, deposits of cholesterol or fibrin, or other cellular debris within arteries.
Sickle cell.
Try again.
Cardiovascular disease.
Try again. Davidson.
Atherosclerosis.
That's right, atherosclerosis. 1 point for Davidson. Mary Montgomery. Name the group of animals with no body cavity, including sponges, jellyfish, and flatworms. Five seconds.
Invertebrates.
No. Davidson.
Peripera.
No. BC Rain.
Medusa.
No. Coelomites. No points. Davidson. Identify the cells that are the most common type of vertebrate connective tissue, are flat, have an irregular shape, and secrete structurally strong proteins into the spaces between the cells.
Bone cells.
Try again.
Skin cells.
Try again. Loud and up close, please.
Epithelial cells.
Try again.
Muscular cells.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. Everybody want BC Rain?
Ribosomes?
No. Mary Montgomery?
Glial cells.
No. Fibroblasts. Fibroblasts. No points. Okay, now we're going to ask some questions, or a question in sports. It's a toss-up category. So the first team to push its buzzer answers first. 4 points for a correct answer, but only one answer per team. So whenever you think you know the answer, when you listen to the question, buzz in. This American athlete and two-time Olympic champion holds the world record in both the decathlon and indoor heptathlon events. He won the decathlon gold medal at the 2012 London Olympics. Davidson.
Eaton.
That's right, Ashton Eaton. Right, 4 points. Literature is our topic for BC Rain. In William Faulkner's short story titled Turnabout, after serving aboard a small Navy vessel all day, give the last name of the young British man who was routinely found late at night lying in the streets or the gutters and picked up by the British military police.
Jackson.
Try again.
William.
Try again.
Jones.
Try again.
James.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. Davidson.
Hope.
That's right. Hope. Claude Hope. Very good. 1 point for Davidson. Mary Montgomery. In Henry David Thoreau's Walden selection titled The Village, after Thoreau was released from jail, name the one personal item he picked up when he ran an errand.
Keys.
Try again.
A hat.
Try again.
Book.
Try again.
Toothbrush.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. Davidson?
Comb.
No. BC Rain?
A radio.
No, it was before the days of radio, but it was a shoe. A shoe. Davidson. In Zora Neale Hurston's short story titled John Redding Goes to Sea, on the night of the fierce storm, the Reddings heard the doleful cry of an owl on their roof. Identify the specific type of owl that Mrs. Redding believed was a bad omen and a sure sign of death.
Screech owl.
Right, 4 points, a screech owl. All right, now we're going to change the rules again. We're going to ask some questions in math. In math, each team has its own question, but each team will also get a copy of everybody else's question for possible bonus points. So first math question goes to Rain. Everyone open your yellow math envelopes, please. What is the next number in the arithmetic sequence, the first four numbers of which are negative 17 over 12, negative 5 over 6, negative 1 over 4, and 1/3? Thirty seconds left for BC Rain.
Zero.
Try again.
One.
Try again.
8. 1/12.
Nope. Davidson.
11/12.
That's right, 11/12. Very good. 1 point. Next math question goes to Mary G. Montgomery. Everyone open your red math envelopes. A diagonal of a convex polygon is any line segment connecting two non-adjacent vertices. Given that a triangle has no diagonals, a quadrilateral has 2, a pentagon has 5, and a hexagon has 9, how many diagonals does an octagon have?
Four.
Try again.
8.
Try again.
12.
Try again.
14.
Nope. Nope. That's 5 answers, sorry. Okay, it's up to BC Rain or Davidson. Don't buzz in early, because then you'll go last. So use the time to double check your math. Davidson.
20.
20 is right. 1 point for Davidson. All right, Davidson, this is your math question. Everyone open your blue math envelopes. An isosceles triangle ABC in the Cartesian plane has vertices such as A is at -1, 1, B is at 3, 4, and C is at 6, 0. What are the lengths of the congruent sides? Thirty seconds left for Davidson. Ten seconds.
Square root of 7.
Try again.
10.
Try again.
8.
Try again.
2.
Nope. Barry Montgomery.
Square root of 5.
Sorry. BC Rain.
Square root of 37?
Plain old 5. Just 5. No points on that. All right, back to some regular questions now. We'll get back to math at the end of the contest. Right now, we're going to ask some questions in Shakespeare. BC Rain, here's your question. In Act 4, Scene 13 of Antony and Cleopatra, after taking refuge with Iris and Charmian in the monument, Cleopatra sends a false report of her own death by way of what messenger?
Incubus.
No, so, try again.
Mail.
Try again.
Telegram.
Try again. No, Davidson?
Mardian.
Mardian, right. Very good. 1 point. Barry Montgomery. In Act 4, Scene 1 of The Tempest, what Roman goddess, the highest queen of state, appears third and last, wishing Ferdinand and Miranda a long and joyful marriage?
Hera.
Try again.
Aphrodite.
Try again.
Jupiter.
Try again.
Athena.
Nope. Teams, wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. Davidson.
Juno.
Juno is right. 1 point. All right, Davidson. In Act 4, Scene 1 of The Taming of the Shrew, Petruchio throws food and dishes at the servants because he claimed part of the meal was burnt. What particular part of the meal did he find unfit?
Mutton.
Right, the mutton or all the meat. Very good. Geography is our topic. Back to our home team. Part of Alaska lies less than 50 miles from eastern Russia. These two land masses are separated by a narrow body of water. Give the complete name of this body of water.
Baltic Sea,
Try again.
Bering Strait.
Yes, Bering Strait is 3 points. The first settlement in the region, now known as Newfoundland, was established around the year 1000 AD. Name the northern European people who first settled there.
Inuit.
Try again.
Scandinavian.
Try again.
Swedish.
Try again.
Dutch.
Nope. Teams, wait for the buzzer if you'd like to answer. Davidson?
Vikings.
Vikings. Right. 1 point. And Davidson. To diminish the negative effects of urban sprawl, many cities are developing plans for the efficient use and conservation of land and other resources. Give the phrase for this type of urban planning.
Smart development.
Try again.
Smart Planet.
Try again.
Smart Growth.
What was it?
Smart.
Say that one more time.
Smart Growth.
Yes, 2 points. Right. Very good. All right. We have reached halftime in our competition. Mary G. Montgomery has 8, BC Rain has 11. Davidson is in the lead with 29 points.
New Horizons Credit Union has been serving its members and the community since 1950. New Horizons Credit Union is a proud supporter of the arts, civic activities, local charities, and higher education, including sponsoring annual scholarship opportunities open to all high schools. Visit New Horizons online at newhcu.org to learn about upcoming supported events that help make this area a great place to live. New Horizons Credit Union, offering its members solutions for the real world.
We're going to start with some questions now in chemistry. So BC Rain, here's your question. State the number of valence electrons found in a carbon atom.
3.
Try again.
2.
Try again.
4.
Yes, 2 points. Right. Mary Montgomery. State the name given to the scheme used to reproduce the ground state electron configuration of atoms by filling successive subshells in order.
Hund's rule.
What was it again?
Hund's rule.
No, try again.
Off-ball principle.
Yes, 3 points, right. Davidson, state the name given to ligands that bond to a metal atom through 2 atoms. Five seconds.
Diprotic.
Try again. Nope, Mary Montgomery?
Didentate ligand.
That's right, 1 point. Art history is our topic. Back to our home team. Artist Robert Barker took out a patent for this method of pictorial representation that simulated the appearance of town views in an uninterrupted circular form. He created a number of landscapes and cityscapes using this technique. Give the one-word English name for Barker's invention.
Gothic.
Try again.
Landscape.
Nope. Davidson?
Panorama.
Panorama is right. 1 point. Mary Montgomery. After visiting Italy, this influential British art critic returned home to write about what he had seen. Give the last name of this man who advocated a revival of the Gothic style in his 2 books, The 7 Lamps of Architecture and The Stones of Venice.
Klinger,
Try again.
Burnham,
Try again.
Barry,
Try again.
Coffin,
Nope. BC Rain was early. Davidson?
Violette Leduc.
No. Now BC Rain.
Hossman.
What was it again?
Hossman. Barry
No.
Hossman.
It was John Ruskin. Ruskin for points. Davidson, your question. This simple wooden rocker with 4 slats on a very high back is representative of the useful and functional furniture made by talented craftsmen associated with a society of Quakers that arrived in America in 1774. Give the name of this style of American furniture that was renowned for its practical simplicity and level of craftsmanship.
Classicism.
Try again.
Artisan.
Try again.
Shaker.
Yes, Shaker. 2 points, right. All right, now we're going to change the rules a little bit and ask some questions in team choice. Before our match began this morning, each team chose the topic it wanted to be quizzed on. There's 4 points for a correct answer, but the twist here is there's only 1 answer per team. So teams, if I rule the original team's answer wrong, you can buzz in immediately, and you can get 2 points instead of 1 for a correct answer. So BC Rain, you chose Shakespeare. Reminder to you and me, just 1 answer, please. In Act 4 of Richard II, Bagot is not allowed to take up Aumerle's challenge because he is a commoner. What nobleman next steps forward to support Bagot's charge that Aumerle caused Gloucester's death?
John Gaunt.
Sorry. Davidson?
Surrey.
No. Mary Montgomery?
John Smith.
No, the nobleman was Lord Fitzwater. Fitzwater, no points. Mary Montgomery, you chose American history. Again, 1 answer. In 1957, Betty Friedan surveyed her Smith College classmates 15 years after graduation and found that many of them were unhappy with their role as a stereotypical housewife. Give the name of the book that Friedan wrote which addressed this problem that has no name.
Handmaid's Tale.
Sorry. BC Rain?
Fame and Mystique.
That's right, 2 points. Very good. Yeah, it's like, Okay, Davidson, you chose literature. In Ray Bradbury's short story titled The Sound of Summer Running, state the month in which the story is set. 1 answer.
November.
Sorry, BC Rain or Mary Montgomery?
August.
Oh, somebody, okay, Mary Montgomery?
August.
No, sorry, BC Rain?
July.
Close, June. June, no points there. Time for our second toss-up of the match. It's in geography, so everyone hands on your buzzers, please. Ellesmere Island is the northernmost and by far the largest group of islands that are located between Baffin Bay and the Arctic Ocean. Give me the complete name of this island group. Davidson?
Queen Elizabeth Island.
That's right, 4 points. Very good. We're back to a regular category now. It's in physics. Back to BC Rain. State the name given to physical quantities that are completely described by their magnitude alone.
Scalar.
Right, 4 points. Very good. Mary G. Montgomery. State the name given to a device whereby mechanical energy is the input and electrical energy is the output. Five seconds.
Work.
Try again.
Machine.
Try again.
Tool.
Nope. Davidson.
Engine.
No. BC Rain.
Battery.
No. An electric generator or a dynamo. Either one. Davidson, your question. State the name given to 2 colors of light that when added together produce white light.
Primary.
Try again.
Red and blue.
Nope. Mary Montgomery?
Prism.
No. BC Rain? No. They're complementary colors. Complementary. American government is our topic. Back to BC Rain. Give the 2-word term used to describe any kind of money that creditors must by law accept as payment for debts.
Legal tender.
Right, 4 points. Mary Montgomery, give the name of the act that had made it a federal crime for anyone other than a police officer to possess a firearm in or around a school and was struck down by the Supreme Court in the Supreme Court versus Lopez of 1995.
Safety Act.
Try again. Davidson.
Guns Free School Zone Act of 1990.
Yes. 1 point. Davidson. On December 19th, 1998, the House voted to impeach President Bill Clinton on 2 counts. The Senate trial followed in January. Give the last name of the Chief Justice who presided over the Senate during the trial.
Warren.
Try again.
Marshall.
Try again.
McConnell.
Try again.
McConnell.
No? BC Rain or Mary Montgomery? No.
O'Connor.
No, sorry. It was Chief William Rehnquist, Chief Justice William Rehnquist. World history is a topic. To BC Rain. Around 1027 BC, a people called the Zhou overthrew the Shang dynasty. They claimed that because the last Shang king had been an unjust leader, the gods had taken away his power to rule. The Zhou believed they were given divine approval to govern. Give the phrase by which this divine authority was known.
Mandate of heaven.
That's right, 4 points. All right, Mary Montgomery. Around 2350 BC, the ruler of Akkad invaded and conquered the city-states of Sumer. By taking control of both northern and southern Mesopotamia, he established the first empire known in history. Name this Akkadian ruler.
Sargon.
Right, 4 points. Very good. Davidson. In 1822, a French scholar named Champollion discovered a way to decipher the hieroglyphics of ancient Egyptians. He decoded a carving on which the same message was written 3 ways, in 2 styles of hieroglyphics and also in Greek. Name the device that Champollion used to decode the hieroglyphics.
Rosetta Stone.
Yes, the Rosetta Stone, 4 points, right. All right, we're down to the final question in today's contest. It's a math question worth 4 points. Teams, open your white math envelopes now. 2 cousins are driving to meet one another. Both leave at the same time. One starts in Philadelphia, the other starts in Pittsburgh. The 2 cities are 300 miles apart. If the cousin from Philadelphia averages 55 miles an hour and the 2 meet after 3 hours, what was the average driving speed of the cousin from Pittsburgh? Mary Montgomery.
45 miles per hour.
That's right. 4 points, 45 miles an hour. Very good. All right. Final score today, Mary G. Montgomery 20, BC Rain 27. Today's winner, Davidson, with 41 points. Congratulations to all of our teams.